How many women scientists won SERB Women Excellence Award 2021? The correct answer is E, that is 4. So the 4 women are, first is Shobhana Kapoor, Assistant Professor at IIT Bombay. Then Antara Banerjee, Scientist B at National Institute for Research in Reproductive Health, Mumbai. First, second and then third one is Sonu Gandhi, Scientist D for National Institute of Animal Biotechnology, Hyderabad. And the fourth one is Ritu Gupta. She is a Assistant Professor at the Indian Institute of Technology, Jodhpur, that is IIT Jodhpur. Jalabhishekam campaign was launched in Madhya Pradesh by dash. The correct answer is B, that is Rajnath Singh. So Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated over 57,000 water structures constructed in Madhya Pradesh under Jalabhishekam. In Madhya Pradesh under Jalabhishekam water conservation campaign. And these water structures were created during the COVID-19 pandemic period by linking the work with the MNREGA scheme. The full form of MNREGA is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. In the first Asian Online Shooting Championship, how many medals were won by India? The correct answer is D, that is 11 medals. So the Indian shooting has topped the medals tally in the first ever Asian Online Shooting Championship organized by Kuwait Shooting Federation. In the 24-member Indian shooting won total 11 medals, which includes 4 gold, then 2 silver and 5 bronze. To reduce infant mortality, SAANS, that is Social Awareness and Action to Neutralize Pneumonia Successfully, campaign was launched in which of the following states? The correct answer is C, that is Madhya Pradesh. So the health department in Madhya Pradesh has launched SAANS campaign. The main purpose of the campaign is to reduce the death rate due to pneumonia among infants. A strategy is being chalked out under the social awareness campaign in which medical staff is being trained. Who won the Lokmanya Tilak National Award for 2021? The correct answer is B, that is Cyrus Poonawalla. So Cyrus Poonawalla, chairman of Serum Institute of India, will be honored with the prestigious Lokmanya Tilak Award 2021, and he will be awarded for his contribution towards the society by manufacturing Covishield and hence helping in saving many lives during the coronavirus pandemic. Which of the following became the first state to recognize forest resource rights in urban regions? The correct answer is A, that is Chhattisgarh. So Chhattisgarh became the first state to recognize community forest resource right in an urban area, with the state government recognizing rights of resident of Dhamatri district over 4,127 hectare of forest. Which of the following Indian cities has been declared as India's first Water Plus certified city? The correct answer is E, that is Indore. Indore has been the flag bearer of cleanliness and bagged the title of the cleanliness city in India for consecutive years. And Indore has added one more feather to his cap. Under the Swachh Sarvekshan 2021, it is also the first Water Plus city in India. According to the 2021 Global Crypto Adoption Index, what is the rank of India? The correct answer is D, that is second rank. So the report also states that about 42% of the total transaction is crypto amount to over $10 million, which translate to rupees 74 crore. Prime Minister Narendra Modi set the target of becoming an energy independent country by which year? The correct answer is D, that is 2047. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday set a target of becoming energy independent by 2047 through a mix of electric mobility, gas-based economy, doping ethanol in petrol and making the country a hub for hydrogen production. Prime Minister Narendra Modi set a target of becoming energy independent by 2047 through a mix of electric mobility, gas-based economy and doping ethanol in petrol and making the country a hub for hydrogen production. Manoj Sinha launched a mobile application named Proof. In Proof, what does R stands for? The correct answer is B, that is record. So, the full form of Proof is photographic record of on-site facility. India's highest herbal park opened in Uttarakhand. It is located at the height of dash. The correct answer is B, that is 11,000 feet. It was inaugurated at Mana village close to the Indo-China border in Uttarakhand's Chamoli district. India's first indigenous motorized wheelchair vehicle named Neo Bolt was developed by dash. The correct answer is C, that is IIT Madras. So, Neo Bolt is designed and developed by a team of researchers led by Professor Sujata Srinivasan, Department of Mechanical Engineer, IIT Madras, and the technology has been commercialized through a startup called Neo Motion. RBI sets up an advisory group to assist the second review regulatory authority. Who is the head of the advisory group? The correct answer is E, that is S. Janki Raman. So, SBI Managing Director S. Janki Raman, the advisory group will assist the RRA by identifying regulations, guidelines and return that can be rationalized. The Supreme Court has launched its artificial intelligence portal, that is SUPACE. What does P stands for in SUPACE? So, the full form of SUPACE is Supreme, S for Supreme Court, S for Supreme Court, P for portal, for A for assistance, in C for courts and E for efficiency. So, it is Supreme Court portal for assistance in court efficiency. The Supreme Court of India launched its first artificial intelligence portal, and the idea is to leverage machine learning to deal with huge chunk of case data. What is the name of China's first ever Mars rover, which is named after their ancient fire god? The correct answer is A, that is Zhurong. So, China has announced the name of its first Mars rover as Zhurong, which is Chinese tradition means the mythical god of fire and war. A Sanskrit learning app has been launched in Bangladesh by the Indira Gandhi Culture Center, that is IGCC of the High Commission of India. What is the name of the app? The correct answer is D, that is Little Guru. So, this learning app is based on an interactive platform which will make Sanskrit learning easy and entertaining and fun. So, this app is based on an interactive platform which will make Sanskrit learning easy, entertaining and fun. India is the only country that has the legislation of giving paid leaves to mothers and their partners the right to paid leave following miscarriage or stillbirth. Which of the following countries passed similar legislation in their parliament? So, the correct answer is B, that is New Zealand. So New Zealand Parliament has passed legislation giving mothers and their partners the right to paid leave following a miscarriage or stillbirth and becoming only the second country in the world to do so. What is the rank of India in Global DEFI Adoption Index 2021? The correct answer is B, that is 6th. So Indians are now fast moving towards DEFI platform. In fact, the majority of crypto transactions are now occurring on DEFI platform, says the 2021 Geography of Cryptocurrency report by blockchain data firm Chainalysis. Which of the following countries became the first Gulf nation to open an embassy in Israel? The correct answer is C, that is UAE. So the UAE has become the first Gulf nation to open an embassy in Israel, and after both the countries signed an agreement to normalize diplomatic ties, the new mission is located in Tel Aviv Stock Exchange building. In which of the following places Rudraksh Convention Center was inaugurated by Narendra Modi? The correct answer is C, that is Varanasi. It will be a well-equipped convention center comprising of a main hall with a full flying tower, sitting capacity of 1200, a gallery, meeting rooms and parking for 120 cars. India's first cattle genomic chip, that is INDI-GAU, was released by Dash. The correct answer is C, that is Jitendra Singh. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh released INDI-GAU, India's first cattle genomic chip for the conservation of pure varieties of indigenous cattle breed like Gir, Kankres, Sahiwal, Ongol, etc. The Reserve Bank of India has cancelled the license of Karnala Nagari Sahakari Bank Limited. The Karnala Nagari Sahakari Bank is in which state? The correct answer is E, that is Maharashtra. So the Reserve Bank of India cancelled the license of Karnala Nagari Sahakari Bank Limited, Panvel. The bank ceases to carry on banking business with effect from the close of business on 13th August 2021. Paresh B. Lal has been appointed as the Grievance Officer of India for which of the following apps? The correct answer is D, that is WhatsApp. So WhatsApp has finally announced its Grievance Officer for India, and that is Mr. Paresh B. Lal. Which of the following PSU has launched an AI-enabled chatbot named Urja? The correct answer is B, that is Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. A mobile application and web portal named eNagar was launched by which of the following person? The correct answer is C, that is Vijay Rupani. So Vijay Rupani has launched a mobile application and web portal named eNagar. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.